Searching for a safe car for your teen driver? Rookie Rides makes it simple. Start at Teach Me to learn about safety technologies, crash structure, and teen driver statistics. Match Me finds cars that match your search criteria for your teen's needs. Choose body styles and budget. Then select which safety features you want in your teen's first car. We'll search over 7 million options to find all your matches. The best part? Our algorithms help you decide by displaying 2 scores: criteria match and our Safe Bet score that calculates crash test ratings, structural updates, airbag count, collision avoidance technologies, and more to help you make smarter decisions. Easily compare cars side by side to view their crash test scores, safety technologies, and more. Once you've found some favorites, save them to your garage and access them later. Click Find It when you're ready to buy and locate that exact vehicle in dealer inventories. Or click Buy It to get insurance and finance rates from our partners in your area. Rookie Rides is your resource for parents of teen drivers. Built by a parent for all parents.